Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to cancel app subscription on Play Store. Here's how to do it. Open your Play Store app. Go to your profile at the top right corner. Now click on Payment and Subscriptions. Click on Subscriptions. Here you're going to see all your active subscriptions. As you can see right here, I have active subscription for Snapchat Plus and YouTube Premium. If you want to cancel them, click on it. Now click on Cancel Subscription below. It's going to tell you to give them reason why you want to cancel your subscription. When you give them a reason, you click on Cancel Subscription. So that's how you cancel active subscription on Play Store. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.